With over 80 specially developed baskets, the practice-optimized treatment chamber of the Miele Therm 10 can be matched to the individual needs of a medical clinic. The use of flex baskets has proven especially suitable in surgical, orthopedic, urological and general medical clinics. The baskets provide sufficient space to decontaminate instruments in the Miele Therm 10. Make sure that the hinged instruments are always slightly open. Stacking the flex baskets on 2 levels enables efficient use of the practice-optimized treatment chamber of the Miele Therm 10. For example, non-standard connections of endoscopes can be adapted using a rinse sleeve. Should the instrument be longer than 22 centimeters, please place it in a flex basket. Shorter instruments can be connected directly on the injector rail using adapters. Ensure that all channels of the instrument are rinsed in a reproducible fashion. Standard connections can be adapted using further adapters and hose extensions.